100 subscribers. Please help me. I know you are many to look at my channel or my videos. Just hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything. It doesn't require that. You just subscribe just to add that number that I need to get to the magic number of 100. Hello YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Monica Bray from Heroines for Real. Today this video is not about workout, and sometimes you have to pause in order to talk about some other stuff. So today we are going to talk about the channel itself. Guys, basically I need your help. I need your help because when I started this channel, I thought it was like any regular website where you subscribe, you start your website, you have a domain name where people can find you. But that's not the case with YouTube. They want you to involve your friends in the building of your channel. I came to realize that there are things that at this time I can do on the channel. I can move forward. I'm stuck turning around because there's so many things that I wanted to start sharing that I can share right now. Why? Because I need subscribers. I need to have a domain, a subdomain on YouTube. Like for instance, youtube.com/Heroines for Real. I can have that. And you know why? Because I need subscribers. Friends, please help me. I need 100 people to subscribe to my channel in order for me to get a name on YouTube that people can search and find and grow the channel. If I don't have that, I'm stuck. No one could find me. You can search Heroines for Real, you won't find me on YouTube unless I send you a link to a video that I posted. Then you'll find me, but by yourself you can't find me. And I want to grow this channel. I want it to be a platform for women over 50 like me. When I reach my goal, I promise I'll tell you how old I am. But right now, just take note that I'm a woman over 50. Even after 50, we can reach our goals of being fit, having a great metabolism, and living a full life, and not thinking that the things are over for us and we just have to sit there and be grandmas and do nothing else and just like be couch potatoes, something like that. So even when the metabolism is dormant, we can resuscitate it, we can be active. If you are thinking of subscribing, please do it ASAP. I need a domain. I need a name recognition by YouTube. And I didn't know that I needed to have at least 100 people to be subscribers to my channel in order for me to be able to do all the projects that I have for that channel. Right now, the only thing I can do is post videos. The domain is youtube.com. So I need, after the .com, I need a /Heroines for Real. I can't have that. Please help me. 91 people. I need 91 people to subscribe to the channel in order for me to get there. It's not my intention to be the only one talking on this channel. I want other women to be there. I'll be having guests. When I have this community section, I'll have guests. So please help me get there, and together we will make this place a place for all of us. So thank you so very much for listening, and thank you if you can help me. This is a call for action. As you have listened, please, the red button that says subscribe is right there. It's on the right side on the bottom right side of the video, it says subscribe. You just click on that and then you'll subscribe. You don't need a YouTube account to subscribe. All you need is you hit the subscribe button and that's it. As a subscriber, they will be suggesting my videos to you. There's no commitment whatsoever beyond subscribing. So please hit the subscribe button. But if you want to stick around for what I do and you like what I do, and I have been getting feedbacks of other women, they say they like what I do. So please subscribe. You will see that it will be beneficial for all of us. I will be open to suggestions, feedback, everything. Just give it to me. I'm here, I'm listening, I'm all ears. So thank you very much and see you around.